I'm just going to draw the candle to begin with. So let's say it was something like this, and it ends up like going, I don't know, to there, for example, right? And then on the lower time frame, if I just take this from you, sorry, are we then looking at, say here, we Asia ranged, maybe we popped up slightly, going into London, though we sweep the low, which then is that wick, and then that expands, going into New York.
Exactly. And it might just be as simple as retesting this previous day's high, right?
Yeah, that's what I was going to say. Well, I was going to say, if it retests that, but if it leaves it, as an example, this is where I was going to go with it, sorry. If we leave it and it then creates a fair value gap there, would it be within the same thought process of price coming down, sweeping that daily low, and having that model to then go up?
Yeah,
is that
possibly,
too much?
Possibly.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's where having multiple attempts at a specific trade idea is going to come into play, and which is why I'm so comfortable not putting the house behind one specific trade, because I know that there's times where the market makers or whoever's out there is going to be chopping price up and down, trying to stop people out, trying to get them to flip sides. Yeah. And I've seen it too many times in my own trading where I've been stopped out multiple times. The third time when I decide to reverse positions, that's the one that really goes.
Of course, yeah.
So you have to be somewhat stubborn in your analysis, but you have to make sure that you're not going too overboard, or you're too stubborn, you're too married to the bias. Yeah. Right? It's got to make sense. And from a technical standpoint, I'll always have invalidation levels. So after he created that swing point, that would become my invalidation.